Hello guys, welcome to Solution Mind with JP, our YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to remind you, if you are not still our subscriber, please subscribe our YouTube channel and tap the bell icon. That way you can find out our newest video as soon as. Okay, let's start the video.
Okay guys, today we are meet with you a very special topic. Because why I said that, if you hope to be a software developer, C language is very important to you. Actually, that is the base on programming language. If you personally know some developer, you can ask them, is the C language everything of developing? Defiantly he or she say you, C language not a everything of programming, but it is the base of programming. I think, now you have an idea about C language, and why it is so important for programming student. Okay, we move on our topic. Actually, I will hope you discuss with this topic, under 11 topics. But I think, I can't include full of tutorial in one video. Because, I hope you discuss every topic with examples. So, I try to include these all are one video, then, this video is so long. I think it is not fair. Then, I hope, 5 or 6 tutorial add under this topic. We will see. Okay guys, in this tutorial series, I try to give full idea to you, about C language. Now, we look what are the topics, I will hope to discuss with you. First one is, introduction of C language, second one is, how to set up code blocks, third one is, write a simple C program, fourth one is, work with data types, fifth one is, operators, sixth one is, selection control structure, seventh one is, switch control structure, eighth one is, repetition control structure, ninth one is, arrays, 10th one is, functions, 11th one is, pointers. Okay guys, not to get more time, we will move our first topic. Okay, our first topic is, introduction of C language. In this topic, we try to understand C language and its history. First of all, we try to understand what is machine language and high-level language. A machine language is the only language that a computer directly understands. It is usually written in zeros and ones. High-level language is a programming language that uses English and mathematical symbols. It is developed by Denis Ritchie at T. Bell Laboratories in the early 1970s. It is growth of C tightly coupled with growth of Unix. Unix was written mostly in. It is success of PCs, need of porting C on MS-DOS. The original high-level language code is called the source code. Computer understands only the machine code. High-level language program has to be translated into machine code before it can be executed. Such a process is called compilation. The compiled code is called the object code. C is compact, expressive, and portable. Good for systems programming, time-critical functions and applications involving close interaction with the operating system or hardware. Following image explain you very clearly how to high-level language and machine language communicate with applications. There are several C compilers and IDEs that support various C compilers. Example of IDE are Code Blocks, Dev C++. If you hope to correctly coding in C language, following things want to remember. Statements are terminated with semicolons. Indentation is nice to be used for increased readability. Free format, white spaces and indentation is ignored by compiler. C is case sensitive. Pay attention to lower and uppercase letters when typing. All C keywords and standard functions are lowercase. Typing capital INT and capital I, simple NT, et C instead of simple INT, is a compiler error. Strings are placed in double quotes. New line is represented by \n, escape sequence. Programming in C, you can use two type comments. There are single line comment and multi-line comment. You can see how we code single line and multi-line comments in C language. Now you can see a graph about this are special constants in coding in C language. Follow this graph and get clear idea about them constants and their meanings, because if you coding in C language, this constants we use mostly. Okay guys, our next topic is how to set up code block in your PC. In this case, my operating system is Linux. Don't worry about that, because in this case operating system depend only download and install code blocks part only. Okay, not get much time, we can move code block download step. First open your terminal, next, enter following command in your terminal, sudo apt update. Next, enter sudo apt install code blocks. Now you can see, downloading code blocks for your PC. Okay, it's completed. Now you can see code block icon in your desktop. Now we move our next topic, that is write a simple C program. And you can see an example. Okay, now we can move our IDE. Start code blocks. In first time, you can see this message, select OK. Now you can see, code block application. If you want to coding C language, first select, create a new project. Next, you can see this interface. Select Console Application. Click Next. Select C. Click Next. Click Finish. OK, your project is created. You can see your project created in Workspace, and click on your project. You can see Sources file. Click it, you can see main.c file. In this stage, we coding in this file. Already you can see sample hello world code. Run this code after build. I click build and run button, because this code is auto-generated code. OK, you can see hello world code is run correctly. Now we can move our simple example code. In this stage, I write this example code simply. I want to especially mention, if you are professional programmer, so never coding this type, because if you are professional, then you are not only think about coding, you want think about more things coding. I will explain you about this things in next video. But in our first stage, this coding type is not bad. OK, before I run this code, I want to explain to you how to detect errors in this. OK, I remove this semicolons, and now click build button. OK, now you can see application detect error. Fortunately, you can see a message, what line has error and what is an error. OK, now I fix error, and click build and run. Now, you can see, we are successfully done it. OK guys, I stop this video now, and we will meet soon with next part of this video series. If you have any question about this video, please comment in this video comment line. I will explain to you that.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any idea or any question, please comment in this video comment line. Finally, I would like to remind you again, still if you are not our subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and tap the bell icon. Okay guys, we will meet next video. Bye for now.